Alright, we're checked in, room 5005. This is the Terrace 2 Queen Studio Suite. Got a nice little foyer, full-size bathroom. Just so you guys can see, you got 2 sinks here, 2 mirrors, a little private bathroom. It's nice. Full-size shower, got a bathtub. Okay, nice little mirror over here. Then you got the bedroom, there's a TV over here. Got 2 queens. Just want to show, and then we got a nice view, they hooked it up. Got a full bar over here, fridge, motion censored, everything. Little iPad, welcome. Kevin Patino. Nice little place, has a nice little sitting area with another TV. You got some closet space. Ooh, some ropes. I like this wallpaper. And then little TV over here. And then the view. Look how nice this is. They got a full terrace right here. If you hang out, the boys or the friends, whatever. Beautiful Bellagio fountain view. We're on the 50th floor. Definitely one of my favorite places to stay. I've actually stayed a lot of places in Vegas. My personal opinion, this is one of the best places you can stay. Center Strip, good location, beautiful rooms. That's how I like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next tour.